Imagine your service is getting slow every 2 minutes, then how will you fix this problem? The same thing happened with Discord in 2020. In Discord, one of the very popular service was read receipt service, and this service was written in Go. And they found the issue that every 2 minutes the CPU spike a lot of this service, and all the API latency was increasing of this service in every 2 minutes. So then they deep dive into like why this was happening, and this service is basically getting used in every time you open Discord. So this is a read receipt service, right? So every time you open Discord or maybe sending any message in any channel, at that time all the API call goes to this service. So this was one of the most important service of Discord. So when they deep down and they found like this service was in Go, right? And there is a concept of garbage collector. So what is the task of garbage collector? Garbage collector basically collect all the unwanted object and delete them, which will not be used in future. So every 2 minutes in Go, this garbage collector will execute, and it will try to find all the data which will not be used in future, and it will delete it. And as Discord has a good amount of traffic, right? So as a result they have a lot of data. So when they are scanning which data to delete and which not to, this was taking a lot of time. So in backend, Discord was using, from data structure side, was using a LRU cache. So the size of the LRU cache was huge of this service. So when Go garbage collector go and read whether this data to delete, this data to delete or not, so in this way it was taking a lot of time. So they completely read out of this and they switch to a new language called Rust. So in Rust there is no garbage collector at all. So how generally Rust delete data? In runtime, if any object is not getting used in future, at that time in the same time they will delete that object, instead of just keeping it in memory and let the garbage collector delete it. So there is no concept of garbage collector in Rust. So as a result they migrated from Go to Rust, and after migration everything was super stable. So when you are debugging any issue, don't try to debug it from always code point of view that you have done some mistake in your code in writing code. Try to understand the runtime behavior of your service.